Hi, welcome to Veganize It, where we take your favorite foods and veganize them. Today we're going to be talking about Aquafaba and what it is used for. But first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to be notified, hit the bell so you never miss out on a new Veganize It video. Aquafaba literally means bean water. When beans are boiled in water, some nutrients may seep out of the beans into the water, causing the liquid to become thickened. While all beans do this, the most commonly used aquafaba is from chickpeas. Chickpeas are used because of their neutral taste and color. Aquafaba can be used in a variety of ways in different recipes for vegan cooking as a natural egg replacement. In this video, I'll go over the different ways aquafaba can be used. For some recipes, you can get away with using the aquafaba straight out of the can with no reduction or whipping, such as with using it as a replacement for eggs in cookie dough recipes. But to use it in a more versatile way, as in meringues, marshmallows, macaroons, you'll want to whip and stabilize your liquid. To start, you would take the liquid you get from a can of chickpeas and reduce it by 1/3 of the total liquid volume. Some sediment in the water is expected, as this is what seeps out of the beans when they are boiled. These are the carbohydrates and proteins that allow the liquid to become thickened and perform in place of eggs. Once reduced, allow the liquid to cool completely before use. The conversion ratio for aquafaba is 3 tablespoons for 1 whole egg or 2 tablespoons for 1 egg white. Now let's go over how to whip aquafaba into a meringue. You will need an electric mixer to whip aquafaba. It can whip up to 5 times its volume. To stabilize it, you'd want to use cream of tartar and sugar. You'll know when you're done when you reach these beautiful stiff peaks. Unlike traditional egg meringues, aquafaba is safe to eat without reheating it once whipped. So you can eat it just like this, whipped, or you can even toast the outside to get a more traditional meringue look. You can use this meringue in a variety of different recipes such as macarons, Italian buttercream, meringue cookies, cakes, and fluffy waffles. Now let's go over what to do with the extra aquafaba if you are not ready to use it or you have too much. To store aquafaba, you can pour it into a glass jar and keep it in your refrigerator for several days. Or you can freeze it into ice cubes and use it later. They can last in the freezer for up to 2 months. With aquafaba, you can veganize any recipe and never run out of an egg replacement again. So let's recap. The benefits of using aquafaba are: 1. You're using all of the product from boiling beans, so there is no waste. 2. It is neutral in taste and color. 3. The liquid itself has some protein in it. 4. You can always save it for later. And 5. It's vegan. And this, guys, is how we veganize egg replacements. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you did use aquafaba, let me know in the comment section below how you used it. What did you make? If there's something you want me to veganize, go ahead and leave it in the comment section as well. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in our next veganized video.